Welcome back to my channel, everybody. This is your first time here. My name is Septian. I'm an audio only channel that deals with headphones and ear monitors. And today I'm going to be reviewing some new buds. Just showing you off some stuff that I got for Christmas. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. This is what I got for me. The AKG N400NC and the Libertech Soundfree S20. I've unboxed these already. I haven't unboxed these yet. But this isn't what the video is about. This video is about the Tribit Flybuds C1. Now, the price on these on Amazon right now is $69.99. Now, there is an upgraded version of the C1s, and according to Tribit, what they updated was the mics. So, if you care about call quality, then you could probably get the ones for 74 bucks. But the price on these that I have right here in the workshop, $69.99. And you can save an extra 10% at checkout with the coupon. Now, let's go over the features. You're getting Bluetooth 5.2, and they support SBC, AAC, and Qualcomm aptX. You're getting 4 mics total, 2 on each earbud, with clear voice capture 8.0, called noise reduction. You're getting 50 hours of playtime, including the case. And these do have controls, but they're button controls, and you can control the volume as well. You also get Qualcomm True Wireless Mirroring technology. You're getting a 6mm PU plus peak diaphragm drivers. You get an auto pairing feature, and they are IPX5 water resistant. Now, let's unbox these. I've been using these for a while now. So first off, you get your little card for your warranty. You can reach out to Tribit. You know, if you have any problems with the earbuds, don't contact me. I don't work for them. You also get the big giant user manual. Tells you everything you need to know about the buds. Comes in multiple languages. You also get the buds will be inside this right here. Now check this out. Look how many silicone tips you're getting with these things. Now I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sets of silicone tips. You're also getting inside here, this will be the charging cable. You're getting a USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. And then you got the buds themselves. Go ahead and put everything back in the box the way it was. Oh, forgot to get the earbuds out first. Let's see here. There we go. Now, let's move over to the earbuds. Talk about the fit, the design, and the battery life. As you can see, it has a matte finish. It's got a good feel to it. Very grippy. It's got a USB Type-C charging port on the bottom. You have LED indicator lights on the front, as well as the pairing or reset button. You got the lid. The lid is loose. That hinge is not that great. Inside are the earbuds themselves. They have an ergonomic design to them. As you can see, I have the CP360s. These are the medium from SpinFit. Good fit. No discomfort, no ear fatigue. I was using the stock tips, but you know me, I always go with SpinFit. You have the button right here on the side. You have the charging pins and the microphone right there. And let me see, I think that's the LED indicator light right in there. There is another mic. I'm not sure where it's at though, because I can't see it. Wait a minute. It could be right there. It could be the mic right there. Hold on. Let me put these back in the case. There's usually... Okay, yeah. So the microphone is right here where his red accent is, and the LED indicator light is right there. I think they should have switched it around, but that's just me. He's got good passive noise isolation, even with the stock tips. You just insert and twist, and they stay in your ears. No falling out, and that's with the stock tips. I like that they have button controls. If you're gonna copy Apple, these copy them on the design. The design's pretty good. I like these. Now, as far as the battery life goes, you're getting 12 hours on a single charge with average use, and you're getting 38 hours provided with the charging case. So that's 50 total. Now, the charging case will give you 4 full recharges. The earbuds take about 90 minutes to charge, and the charging case takes about 2 hours. So I mentioned Clear Voice Capture 8.0 in the features part. So let me give you a sample of the mics in a quiet environment. I'll be right back. This is a mic test of the Tribit Flybuds C1 in a quiet environment. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Okay, now let's go over the controls. Now to use previous track, you double click on the left earbud. You want to reject an incoming call, you double click the buttons on the left or the right. You want to increase the volume, you press and hold on the right earbud. You want to play pause, you can click either button on the left or the right. Next track is a double click on the right. You want to activate the voice assistant. That's a triple click on either the left or the right earbud. You want to decrease the volume, you press and hold on the left. And you can also manually turn these on or off. If you want to turn them on, you got to press any button on the earbud. When the music is not playing for 2 seconds, you want to power them off. You press and hold any button for 6 seconds when no music is playing. Now let's move over to the sound quality. Now, since I've been testing these for going on, well, since I bought them, I think it was 3 months ago. Sound quality is very good. It has a very good sound stage. It has a variation of a V-shaped sound signature, although they don't sound the same as the Soundpeats. I know Soundpeats, they kind of have like a deep V. These are a variation of a V. You do get bass, you do get mids, you do get treble. So you're getting pretty much the same as the Soundpeats, but it's just a different flavor. So no matter what music genre you listen to, whether it's rock, rap, pop, R&B, heavy metal, the music, the sound quality out of the C1s is going to be pretty great. Now, if you're listening to jazz or classical or bluegrass music, then you're probably going to have some issues with these because these are V-shaped. V-shaped sound signature doesn't really work with those genres, but for the majority of the more popular ones, they do. I haven't really tested any songs with these. I just been casually listening to music on Apple Music with lossless audio turned on, and everything sounds good. Like there's separation, so you can tell where the instruments are coming from. And I say you listen to a song where it'll play on the left side and then it'll move to the right. It actually catches that. So the Bluetooth 5.2, and the Qualcomm aptX, it really does a great job at capturing the music as it was intended to be listening, how it was recorded. So not a problem with these. I'm actually pretty surprised. I'd say they sound better than some of the other earbuds that I've listened to in this price range. I mean, these are good, but they don't touch the Sennheiser CX400BT. They just don't. Get close, but no. But the other more affordable or budget earbuds, yeah, these are punching above their weight class. They're pretty good. They're really good. They're close to the Earphone Free 2. They're close to the Earphone Free Pro when you don't have ANC turned on. Also, these don't support ANC or wireless charging. But yeah, sound quality wise, they're really good. You can't beat these. I haven't had any problems with any music like male, female vocals. They just work. Now, ear health is very important to me, and I'm going to go into my new segment on my channel. It's called Can I Go Deaf? So let's see how loud the Flybuds C1s can get. I'm going to go ahead and use my Nord Core Edition. I'm going to use Apple Music. I'm going to turn this all the way up. And now I'm going to go ahead and hold up. Let me turn this backlight on. Okay. Ooh. Now this might be because of I'm playing rap. I'm playing Isaiah Rashad, his latest album. And it's getting up to 110. 111, that's pretty much the loudest thing. Okay, 112. Okay. Let me go to another song. Okay, 113.6. 112, 106. Okay. Let me go to some Pop Smoke. I love doing this. I love seeing how loud earbuds get. Okay, that's not a rap. Okay, okay, here we go. This is a loud song. Okay, we got 108, 112, 109, 114. Dang, 118. Woo. Okay, these things get pretty loud. Oh, let me see. Oh, yeah. And that bass coming in hard, too, yeah. These some good earbuds. Real good earbuds. Now, comparison, I did bring up the Sennheiser 400 BTs. These are going to cost you a little more than these. These are $69. These are, I think, they're on sale right now for the holidays. They could, I think they're, well, let me see. Let me look up how much the Sennheisers cost right quick. Give me 1 minute. Let's see, CX BT 400 BT. Okay, they're $99.99 or $99.95. No, that's the original ones. Actually, they went back up. They're $119. Okay. Well, these are going to be more expensive, but you're also getting app support with 400 BTs. You're not getting app support with these. You're getting pretty much better battery life with the C1s than you are the 400 BTs, though. I will say that. Out of every earbud that I reviewed in the past, the C1s, they give you more battery life. I mean, 38 hours with the case and 12 with the buds. No other earbud that I got right now is touching that. Maybe the edifiers. This would be a good comparison between the two. They both have pretty much the same battery life. These have 10 hours on a single charge, and they both work great out of the box. They both have a variation of a V-shaped sound signature. So music, as far as like real rock, pop, rap, R&B, it's gonna sound rap, R&B. It's gonna sound great. So this should probably be a better comparison. They also have a quick charge feature, auto pair feature. They fit good in the ears, no ear fatigue. Although I tried to sleep with these, and because I'm a side sleeper, the right one always falls out because I always sleep on my right side. So in conclusion, if you want some earbuds with long battery life, button controls, that way you don't have to mess up anything like, with touch controls. And we try and adjust the earbuds in your ears, then get these. I mean, $69. You can't beat that. So this has been the review of the Flybuds C1 True Wireless Earbuds. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and share. And if you like my videos, consider subscribing and click the bell icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos. So with that, enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you next time.